Hello, this is a little tiny 8 by 8 inch canvas that I'm going to swipe on, covered in dry Meeden paint, and I'm going to use a little bit of Mayan gold. I'm going to try and make this pretty simple. I need enough paint so that I can lead a swipe card down on either side. This is African Violet. This is Blue Velvet. I've got some jasmine, but first I think I'm going to put a little bit of red violet with golden diamonds in there. The colors will be listed under the video. This might be one of the simplest color schemes I do. I believe that this is jasmine. And there ought to be enough color there. So I've got a card and a dish and some black cell activator. And that looks like the perfect card to go 3 directions. But if I use a card that wide, then I'm going to try my playing card instead. How about that? Let's start in the middle. Continue on. I might just go from one side and then spread the colors out on the other by tipping if there's any chance of that. Now that's a little unfortunate. See what happens. See if I can keep it from gapping the next time. I like the little in-betweens. Didn't go quite as far as I was hoping it would. I'm going to tip it and see what happens. At least for a little ways. And maybe that little tiny card I was using will work in between. Kind of like that. I think I can use that leftover right in that gap. Just trying to cheat a little bit. Kind of wish I'd used a little orange in there. I'm going to look for a Princeton Art Toolcat spatula. Drag some colors up to the other side. That's pretty simple. I'm just going to sort of attempt to lead using my spatula. I've got gold that I can steal. Because I could also put it down in a dish and make sure I could pick it up and put it down again with my spatula. I'm not sure about this one. And when I'm not sure about a swipe, I will often decide it's worthy of some spirals. It's only little. I really want some orange in there. Got some good cells. This was my warm-up today. I'm going to steal a little bit of that paint, put it right down here. That's funny, I got that a solid dot of gold right in the center there. Oh, I like how the saffron spread out depending on how big the dot was. Maybe a little bit more. I must have put the bottle into the black because I just wound up with it on my finger. I think that one's too big and I want it to go away. But I can put a little bit of it somewhere else. Alright, that's all she wrote for this one. I'm going to torch really quickly, let any of the bubbles out. I think I'm going to put a spiral in where that straight gold line is. And that'll make me happier. Otherwise, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. When you watch longer, you tell the YouTube algorithm that you like what you see, and they post my videos so that more people can find them. And right now, I've almost disappeared, I think. So I appreciate all the help I can get. Check under the link tree. Check on the link tree, which is under the video in the description, for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook is Priscilla Batzell-artist. This might be vertical or horizontal more so than what it is right now. I wonder if I can shimmer that at you. Anyway, 8 by 8 inch canvases are small, so at least they're fast. Let's try the shimmer. Alright, whatever I've forgotten you'll see in another video, you can have, please share my videos. Thumbs up is really appreciated. I sell my artwork. I give lessons to the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Thank you for those of you, very much to those of you who have become members of my channel. You're the only thing keeping me here, along with donations from PayPal and Patreon. I love you guys much. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.